The species that science once ignored are finally stepping into the spotlight. Thanks to extraordinary progress in genome sequencing technology, researchers can now delve into the genetic secrets of non-model and emerging model organisms, species that were previously too complex or costly to study in detail. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. These breakthroughs are helping scientists uncover hidden insights about biodiversity, evolution, and even potential solutions to human challenges in medicine and the environment. In the past, research largely focused on a few standard model organisms such as mice, zebrafish, and fruit flies. These creatures were chosen because their biology was easier to manipulate and their data easier to interpret. Non-model organisms, by contrast, were left in the background, often because their genetic structures were too difficult to decode or lacked the research infrastructure to support deep study. Now, that's changing rapidly. With next-generation sequencing technologies becoming faster, more affordable, and vastly more precise, scientists can explore the full genetic landscape of species previously considered unapproachable. This shift has opened the door to a new era of discovery. Non-model species, those not traditionally used in laboratory research, are gaining attention for their extraordinary traits and ecological importance. For instance, extremophiles that thrive in the world's harshest environments may hold genetic clues to improving biotechnology or developing new medical treatments. Similarly, emerging model organisms, newly adopted species selected for cutting-edge studies, are revealing biological mechanisms that can't be observed in traditional lab animals. And here's the part most people miss. Studying these alternative organisms doesn't just expand what we know. It also challenges long-standing assumptions about life itself. What if our classic model species have only shown us a narrow slice of nature's possibilities? What new ideas about evolution, adaptation, or genetic diversity could come to light when science finally listens to the unusual species it once overlooked? As genome sequencing becomes more refined and accessible, its impact is radiating across multiple disciplines, from medicine and agriculture to climate science and conservation biology. This new wave of genetic understanding promises to deepen humanity's grasp of how life functions in all its astonishing variety. But how far should science go in prioritizing non-model organisms over classic lab staples? Are we ready to rethink the foundation of biological research itself? Or should traditional models remain the core reference points for scientific discovery? Share your thoughts. This debate might shape the next chapter of genomics.